Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 1st, 2023, the first Friday of the month. Yeah, I know. On the first Friday of the month, I will do always a speed test. So in the afternoon, I've already done 2 speed tests, and now in the evening, the additional. I've already solved 3 puzzles in additional, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, and also the binary puzzle. So the last puzzle I will do is a Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, number 7024. 7024. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, but could be a hard one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. We will see if this is a hard one, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot see any duo boxes. I see here 2 triple boxes. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. Should be a 5 then. Alright, same for here. Well, the 5 is already filled in. Okay. But this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes in this puzzle. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, here, one. Another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about that L shape? Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember the L shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright, a 4. And do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Nope, only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. A maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting at filling those numbers. Alright. These two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. It means that those two boxes can be a 4. Because if I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 4. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. It should be here. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, I need to think here. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, now these 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Think. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be 5. Yeah, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here then. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Alright. Let me think. The 2 and the 4 here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. That means that this box, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, should be a 3, can be a 4, we have a double 4 there, can be a 5, yeah, definitely a 3 here. Right, then 2 and a 4 there, okay. Well. No 3. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1, should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 2. These are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box with 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright, well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Alright. Okay, and now let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 2 and a 4, well, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 1 now, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. No. 5 and a 4. Okay. And now, let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 5 and a 4, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, let me think. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, let me go down first. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. It's definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area, from 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area, from 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this W area, say for us a 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there, finishing 50 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. Not really a 4 stars, not really a 3 stars, but a 2 stars. Sudoku, yeah. JigsawSudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Friday, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend.